in Desmos, we can actually create a graph of our residuals to help us determine if our linear model is our best fit. So once you have your data points in your table, we're still going to type in the equation y1 squiggly mx1 plus b. And that's going to give us that linear regression or line of best fit. So from the previous example, we saw that our slope was 2.7 and our y-intercept was about 59. And so our line of best fit was y equals 2.7x plus 59. Now, if you look, you have this piece here that says residuals. And you can go ahead and hit plot. So remember, residuals is the distance that each of the points is away from your line of best fit. So we want small residuals, so those are going to be small distances, and then we want a random scatter. So what you're going to do now is after you've hit plot, you have this plus sign. So instead of looking at our graph, our scatter plot, we're actually going to look at just the residuals. And remember, this is the distance that each of the points is away from that line of best fit. So you can assume that that line of best fit is now your x-axis. So you want that distance to be small. So for example, this point here, 1, 60, if we look at 1, it is about negative 1.5 units away from our line of best fit, which means it was below the line of best fit, and it's about 1.5 away. And then these don't really follow a certain pattern. And so that basically states that our linear regression is our best fit for this model.